Hello, everyone. My name is Coach Nova from Custom Funnels. I'm the operations manager, and I'll be showing you today how you can maximize um, the use of our tools, for sales and marketing outreach or growing your business. All right, so let me show you one of my clients' website. Okay, so this is what we're going to use for the demo today. So let me give you a background. All right. So Prosper Vita Health is the company that franchises um, products on the health and wellness space. All right. So it's a franchising model, and then Health Partner Pro is one of the store. This is actually my store. Okay. The store name is customizable in this website as well as your tagline because this is your personal brand. It's your store brand. But the products you're selling is from Prosper Vita Health, which are lifestyle products. Okay. So don't be confused there. All right. Now, so when you when you avail or when you apply for a franchise, of course, Prosper Provide Health will be providing you the tools that you need for you to grow and succeed in your business. Okay, what is that? So the website, the funnels, the CRM, trading on FB ads, those things. Okay, and we here at Custom Funnels, this is personally my client. I have provided them with that. So that's what I'm going to show you as a demo. And this is what you can get as well. You can possibly build here with Custom Funnels. All right. Of course, with our guidance. So let's begin. So here on the home page, this is the home page. So for the products, I'm gonna go here on the products. Let me just order. Okay. So since this is e-commerce, definitely we have to there's checkout. Okay, there should be a payment method, but at the moment, so what we have is PayPal. Okay, PayPal for the payment method as well as we also have an option for manual payment since most of our potential customers doesn't have PayPal. Okay, all right, so we go here, click for manual payment, and then I'll just populate this. All right, I'll populate this information. I'm gonna order. Okay. And here at the very top, you can define as the seller what are your accounts where they can send the payment, right? Since this is manual. Oh, sorry. Let's just put a dummy number. Not sure if this is even existing. Okay. So for example, I'm gonna buy this one, intra capsule. Okay. That's the product. So I'll just input the quantity. Then how much is it? 1855. So customer would input it. Right, and then the number. Oh, the address. Okay. The address doesn't really matter. Okay. Right here. So this is my preferred payment. So I'm gonna say, for example, I'm gonna use BPI and then send it on the seller's BPI account or GCash account. All right. Submit. Okay. So once you have submitted it, you will be able to see this one. Okay. Now, what's gonna happen after you have submitted the order? On the seller side, this is what the seller would see. Okay, we go here in order. Okay, so customer Adeline ordered using manual payment, which is worth 1,855. Okay, now after the order, so since we have verified the payment, say for example, after doing that, so we're ready to fulfill the order. That means sending it to the customer, but of course we have to collect the shipping fee. All right, so from the orders, you go to fulfillment, form shipping fee. You're on the CRM. Let's say, for example, 150 is the shipping fee of the intra-capsule product. Okay. Now let's see how the automation would go. This is what I want to show you. And so for the history as well, we have automatic notes here. So we have informed the customer about the shipping fee right here. Then, so there are two emails that was received by the customer. Show it to you. Order status confirmed and awaiting shipping fee. So customer would be able to pay this one. All right, she can click it. Say Adeline, and then she just have to use her email, and then 150 as indicated on the email. Right, just send a screenshot of the payment. And on the notes, says shipping fee paid by customer. Okay, so for the seller, you'll just have to verify. So customer sent 150 shipping fee. So status of collection will be paid. Right, you can move it to the next pipeline. All right. So there's a acknowledgement as well to the customer that the shipping fee has been paid. Right, next. So how do we issue a receipt to the customer? Okay, very simple. Go here, payments. All right. So we'll create an invoice for the customer. Add a lien, and then we add an item. What is the item? Intra capsule. There we go. Save. So you can define quantity here as well. Okay. So since the customer already paid the product and the shipping, so we'll just have to record a payment. Record manually. Let's say, for example, this one is cash. So let's say, paid PPM. Right? And you can see here, it would register. So when you go to Adeline's record, okay, so we have issued an invoice, it's paid. This transaction is paid. And you can see here as well. Payment received. Good. All right. So we have already issued an invoice. Now let's just record this invoice number. Go back. Order and fulfillment, invoice. Then let's send this receipt to the customer. Okay, move it to the pipeline. So customer got the receipt. So let me show you how. There we go. This is the receipt. All right. This is the receipt attachment. Let me show it to you. Open file. There we go. This is the receipt. Okay. All right. Now let's define. So today is the order date. Let's continue and then fulfilled. So it's time to select the courier tracking number. So you'll just have to, for us to have a faster transaction, of course, you wanna, uh, you want to take it to the courier already, right? So I can put here in transit. Okay, order delivery status in transit. Okay. All right, make sure the order status is fulfilled. There we go. And fulfilled. That means it's already in transit to the customer. Move it to the pipeline. Next. Let's say, for example, customer said it's the writer said LBC says it delivered. It's delivered. All right, let's just have to change it. Okay, received by who received by it. So Adeline T. So for example, Adeline T. Right, let's just update it that way. Move it to the pipeline. Okay, and you will see it's delivered. So it's automated, guys. All right, so next. So So you want to really confirm with Adeline whether she received the product or not. Okay, so because this is the confirmation from LBC from the uh from the um, from the courier. Okay, so you want to confirm it with Adeline this time. All right, pipeline. So this is the email that she will get. Click here to confirm your order completion. So there are two ways that we can do this. So Adeline can either answer this. Okay, so say for example that one. She can answer this. The purpose of this is that we want to check with the client what are the issues that they are experiencing on their on their health, right? So in what health concern can our products help them? Okay, so let's say we submit this. Now this is the post sales um, email sequence that this customer will experience. Okay, so next would be, so as you have noticed, up next the care detox program. Right, these are email sequences wherein we want to do a check-in on you. So she's already here, right, on the email, on the on this pipeline. So there's welcome message, the first month, second month. It's the monitoring email. Okay, from Prosper Vita Health. Next. All right, so that's the end of transaction for the web store order. Okay, next is the funnel. Okay, let's try to order on funnel, but this time it's gonna be cash on delivery. Okay, this is cash on delivery, right? So say for example, when you're running ads and you prefer your clients, especially here in Metro Manila, you prefer your clients to order um your clients prefer to use COD, for the um for ordering the products. Well, totally fine. I mean, we have this, but of course we have to be mindful as well. Make sure that it's not gonna be they will not cancel the order or somehow like that. Okay, because the courier might charge you double since they have to return the products. Okay, let's. This is just an example. Okay, here. So I'm gonna use a different account. So how much is this? 1855. So I'll just input the data. So let's see. Our customer is Alma. I'm gonna use my address. Bag. Okay. Alma Arcelius. TD. Here. And then user email. Okay. Phone 463. Okay. And then I'll submit the order. This is COD, okay? COD, submit the order. So there's an option as well to get your client's uh Facebook, So if in case the order is already confirmed, delivered by the courier, then it's easy for you to follow up with your customer. And it also increases the seller and customer relationship. Okay, and from here, there's also an option to join our Facebook community. Okay, at the top, you have an option to go back to the product list as well to check other products on the website. Okay, amazing, right? So this is the funnel itself. Now let's process the order from Alma. Okay, again, let's go back in orders. Let's see. All right, so it went here in the COD. Okay, so since it's cash on delivery, right, we go to fulfillment. Cash on delivery is the stage. Update it right there. Okay, go to fulfillment. COD. So we have a different tab here for COD. So let's say your COD is LBC. This is tracking number, and of course the status is in transit. Right, we'll just have to update it. Okay, let's look at Alma. And again, we also have guides here on the notes, right? So new C order COD, and then this is the tracking number you have provided to the customer. Good. Right. Status is in transit. Let me show this to you. Okay, this is the message. So for COD, it's not gonna go here and inform shipping fee, paid shipping fee. No, it's not. Okay, the end process of that will be order received and then payment for COD received because it's gonna be the courier. It the customer will pay to the courier and the courier will pay back to you. Okay, the order amount and the shipping fee. Just the order amount. Okay. All right, this is COD. Next. All right. So before we can say, for example, LBC says, yeah, we already got the order to your customer. Okay, customer already received the order. Okay, so we'll just have to move it here. Order received. Okay, order received, and then status delivered. Payment, but the payment from courier, of course, there's none yet, so pending. Date. Okay, so we had just informed the customer status is delivered, the order is delivered, and then let's say, for example, after 24 hours, or let's say within the day, LBC get back to you that hey, this is the payment from the order of the customer earlier or yesterday. So we'll just have to mark it received. Okay, once you receive the payment from the courier, just mark it received. All right, and there's gonna be notice as well. So here in the notes, received. Okay, or if we refresh it, we refresh this one. So remember, Alma Arcelis is the name of the customer. Mm. Okay, it's called unloading. Okay, so what's gonna happen is that so since the customer has been moved to the last phase of the pipeline of fulfillment, which is payment from the courier. This is for COD, okay? Payment from the courier received, right? So similar to the other customer earlier, Adeline, Alma will receive this email as well to for the customer to confirm the order completion, right? This form. So we'll just ask for their whole concerns and then that's it. Confirm order completion. But alternatively, what if Alma is too busy? She doesn't want to answer all of this stuff. But we need her to be in the care detox program. It's a continuous email sequences where we can monitor her. Okay. All right, now it's loading. So from here, order received, Alma went here to payment for COD received. Okay. Now, so if Alma doesn't want to answer the order completion form, that's fine. Just move it to the to the other pipeline, which is start care plan. Date. Okay, we update it. Show fulfillment. Alma is already here. All right. So good. Okay, so imagine if you have uh, this order and fulfillment system, as somebody who is selling online, would enable you to take charge of your whole business process. You don't have to wait for the courier. You don't have to wait for uh you know other uh other third party application for the confirmation or to somebody. You'll just have to take charge. Okay, so you can streamline your business operations using this e-commerce order and fulfillment system. So there are other payment channels that you can use still, but right now, if your preferred payment channel is manual, we can do that for you, manual or COD, and you can use funnels to run ads for them to process your order. Um, in, let's say, for example, Facebook, and then for us to process the fulfillment, then you can use the CRM. Okay, so what's going to be your advantage in using this type of a system? Okay, you can be your own boss. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Book a call now with Custom Funnels, and we'll help you build this system. All right, first we can start with your funnel, and then slowly you can start your own website, your web store. Okay, so we look forward in speaking with you. Again, be your own boss with Custom Funnels. Thank you. Bye for now.